pre-cooked ham on the bone, weighing 1.5 kgs or 3 pounds, and I've removed the string and packaging. For this recipe, you can use any amount of ham because I will give you the various oven time variations. First, score the ham starting off at one corner. I'm going in quite deep for a great decorative effect, but you can also do a light cut if that's what you prefer. Working with one side at a time, slice into the ham evenly. Then working with the next side, match the cuts to the other side, all in the same direction, and repeat on all sides. For a diamond effect, score the ham in the opposite direction. Set the ham aside for now, and we will next create a faux honey soy sauce. Over a medium heat, add a half a cup of water, 1/3 cup of sweetener, a teaspoon of ginger powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a generous pinch of pepper, and 1/3 of a cup of coconut aminos or low-carb soy sauce. Mix to combine, and when it comes to a boil, turn the heat down to low, stirring occasionally. Give it a taste and see if it's to your liking, then you can make adjustments. Let the sauce simmer so it can reduce and thicken, then turn off the heat. Place the ham on a roasting pan or baking tray and fully coat the ham in the sauce. You will have plenty of sauce, so try to get into the cuts as well. You can reattach any loose cuts with a toothpick. For this size ham, 3 pounds, bake for half an hour on the one side. Then remove from the oven, baste the ham again in the leftover sauce, turn it over, and remove any toothpicks. Then bake for another 15 minutes. For a 750 gram or 1.5 pounds of ham, half the size, you would halve the oven time as well. Remove from the oven and coat the ham with the sauce again. If the sauce is thickened too much, just add some water to the pan and mix into the sauce. For the grazing platter, I'm using Danish style feta cheese and a Paris triple cream camembert cheese. I sliced the camembert and cut the feta into cubes. Then I sliced 8 cherry tomatoes in half and sliced in half 100 grams of prosciutto as well. Place the ham on a serving platter and spread lettuce of your choice all around the ham. Then twisting the slices of prosciutto, place the prosciutto onto the lettuce spread out. Then the cherry tomatoes spaced out again. Now the cheese. I first added the feta, then I filled in the spaces with the camembert. Optionally, you can add some green olives and Kalamata olives as well. And lastly, sprinkles of leftover honey soy sauce. This platter is huge, so on the one side, I added pomegranate seeds for my non-keto friends and left the other side plain. And that's it. You can graze all day and still have leftovers. When I made this, my family couldn't wait to get stuck into it. So you may have trouble not sharing this meal too. I really hope you get to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.